Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the ArmourySwAgent.exe application error that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I'd suggest doing would be to open up the search menu, search for Windows features. Best match will come back with turn Windows features on or off. Go ahead and open that up. Make sure .NET Framework 3.5 is checkmarked in here. So go ahead and make sure that is checkmarked. And then select OK. I might have to download and install files, but it shouldn't take very long to do so. And that should hopefully be about it. And as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.